Welcome to Beauty for the Win. I am going to show you how to make a homemade oatmeal mask. This is amazing for your face. It's going to help with inflammation. It's going to help clear up acne, and it's really moisturizing for the winter. So I have a little hand grinder here, and I've already ground up some quick oats. You can use rolled oats as well. I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of ground up oats. Okay, put it in the bowl. 1, and this is just about 2. Half a tablespoon of honey. Put it in there, and we are going to also add one more ingredient, which is almond oil, really moisturizing for your skin. Here is my sweet almond oil. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 drops in there. If you add a little bit more, that's okay. It's gonna really help with softening the skin. Now you're gonna mix it all together. And as you can see, it's a little bit clumpy, right? So what you want to do is add a very small amount of water, just a little bit, and mix. Not too much, just a little bit. This consistency is just right. You don't want it too thick, you don't want it too thin. Okay? Like I said, you can just keep adjusting it with a little bit of water at a time. I like to get a little bit under the eye area too. I have puffy eyes today, so I'm just really liking that. It's gonna help with the puffiness. You're gonna leave this mask on once you're all done for 15 minutes. It is so nice. This is a really good one. Sometimes they can be a little bit too thick, a little bit too thin or runny, but once you get the right texture, after making these masks for a while, they are just like, okay, I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is up, and I forgot to tell you guys that oatmeal has gentle exfoliating properties for your skin. So it's going to take off some of the dead skin cells as well as hydrate and moisturize. So you're gonna wanna get your hands wet with water, and then you're going to go over your sink and just gently, in circular motions, take off the mask and keep going till it's all gone. Also, if you don't want the face mask going into your sink because it's a thick oatmeal, do this over top of a giant bowl with water beside you and just put it all in there, and then you can flush it down the toilet. Baby smooth skin. My skin feels amazing. Wait till you try this, you'll know what I mean. Thank you guys so much for watching this DIY. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos.